Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a loading bar in Canva. So loading bars are helpful and can be used to show the progress of something like a download or a purchase, or you can use them in a social media post to add a little bit of fun. So this is how you do it. So we're going to click onto the templates. Then we're going to type in loading bar into the search bar. Then loads of professionally designed loading bars will come up. So you can see you've got some that are vertical that will probably be better for social media, and some that are landscape. Remember, you can go into whichever one you choose and edit it to your exact needs. So don't worry if there's nothing exactly how you want. You can see they're basically like little mini videos, a mixture of like video, text, and images. So I'm going to click on this one to edit and click on customize this template. So now I can go in and edit different parts of this loading bar. So the top part you can see is the text cat level up. The second part is the loading part, and the bottom part is the video. So I can go in and I can edit this text. I can change the color of the text, change the font. I can do the same for the top text. And you can see this video is about 12 seconds. If you wanted it to be a little bit shorter, I can click on the video and I can drag it in a bit shorter, say to 10 seconds, and then make sure you drag the text in so it fits as well. So when you're happy with your loading bar, give it a name, and you can click on share and download it and use it in your business. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.